much cooler with lows in the lower 40s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. This is the National Weather Service office in Blacksburg, Virginia. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio station WXM72 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can automatically be activated by these signals to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signals in the receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service around noon each Wednesday, except for the first Wednesday of the month when it is conducted around 7 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarms, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in the Blacksburg County warning area in West Virginia: Greenbrier, Mercer, Monroe, and Summers. In Virginia, Allegheny, Bath, Bland, Craig, Giles, and Tazewell. Included in these counties is the independent city of Covington. In addition, we broadcast short-fused products for the following West Virginia counties: Fayette, Nicholas, Pocahontas, and Raleigh. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning device. We now return to normal programming. Now for the National Weather Service forecast for the Greenbrier Valley, including Lewisburg, White Sulphur Springs, Alderson, Marlington, and Union. This afternoon, sunny,